Hi guys, welcome back. Today we'll show you how to do the hard reset of the Canon EOS 400D. This operation can be helpful if you mix the settings on your camera and you want to factor it. So power on the camera, click menu, go on the up to the highlight option and go to this last with the tools and tool, and now set the clear settings, clear all camera settings. Okay, and now clear all custom settings. Okay, voila, now the camera have the factory settings. All settings is factory. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can tap sub, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey.